Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leave Insert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos.
Right, construction 13 is a right-angled triangle given the length of the hypotenuse and one other side. Okay, so there's no worksheet from Squelnet. As you know, I use Squelnet for all of these so far. So I found an exam question instead. It was question 6 on the higher level junior cert paper, but it doesn't matter. As you can see from our chart, it can come up in any of the levels. So it's just the one I'm using. So the question said, construct a right-angled triangle ABC where AB is 6, the length of ABC is 90, and the length of AC is 10. Okay, so a couple of ways of doing this. Okay, length of AB at the bottom. So it's always like you've seen me doing in loads of them. It's always good practice to draw a rough triangle just to lay out how is your triangle going to look. Okay, so to me the most obvious thing is to put AB on the bottom. Okay, it's 6. So there's my AB. Okay, and the angle ABC is 90 degrees. Okay, which is up here. So that's my 90-degree angle there. Okay, so it's always the letter in the middle. That's always the angle that they're talking about. So B is in the middle there. So that's why my right angle was at B. And then the length of AC is 10. So he's obviously C. So the length of this one here is 10. Okay, so that's what I'm going to attempt to draw. So it's slightly different from the other triangles in that the other triangles that we've done so far were line segments, and this is actual values. Nonetheless, it's all the same. Okay, so the length of AB is 6. Okay, so I've got my ruler and I'm just measuring out to draw a dot there, which is my point A, and I'm going to measure out 6. Okay, so you can draw a longer line if you want and then just measure off the 6 with your compass, or you can measure off 6 just like I've done just there now. Okay, so let me just double check that. So 6 centimeters AB, and it's good practice, like I said, if they give you a value in the question that you put it into your construction. So B is my right angle. So to measure a right angle, the easiest way to do it is with your protractor. So again, the bottom of your triangle needs to be flush with this black line on your protractor, and the crosshairs here in the center align with point B. Okay, so down they go onto point B. Okay, and you know you're right when you can't see the line at the bottom of your triangle because it's covered by the black line of the triangle. And the same with B. So I'm putting my 90-degree mark up there. Okay, and then my ruler just measures up to there from the point B. Like that. Okay, and it doesn't matter how far you go up, and measure in your 90-degree angle, whichever way you want to do it. Okay, so that's your 90 degrees. So that's that one done. And then AC is 10 centimeters. Okay, and it's quite hard to do it with a ruler, and you shouldn't do it with a ruler. That's not the correct way to do it. The correct way to do it is to use your compass, like so. Pull it across so that it's 10 centimeters like this. Okay, so I'm just going to lay it down so you can see what I'm doing. So there at 0 to 10, can you see that is 10 centimeters? Okay, so I've measured it out with my compass. And the reason for that then is it allows you to put an arc in. So from this point here at A to anywhere I draw an arc is 10 centimeters. Okay, and you can see I'm gone outside the box, so it may feel wrong. It's not wrong. I could have put AC at the bottom for 10 centimeters and draw your triangle the other way. Okay, and it would probably then have fitted inside the box. Or of course I could have moved my line down to the bottom here, but I started up high. No big deal. Up we go, up to there with that line, and I now know this is 10 centimeters from here to anywhere in the arc, and of course you're going to do it where it intersects with this line coming up here, because that's our 90-degree angle. So up we go, up to there. Okay, if you do a measure, you'll see it's bang on 10 centimeters. Okay, and that's how you get, mark in your C, mark in your 10 centimeters, and that is how you get the triangle, the two sides of the triangle to meet. Okay, so right angle triangle with given the length of the hypotenuse and one other side.